Hello guys, this is boy Binky from How to PC. Today I walk through how to solve get is not recognized as an internal or external command, operate a program or pass file. The step is very easy. You go in the shares bar and hit and shares for environment system variables. Hit on it. From there, hit in the bottom hit the environment variables. From in the system variables, looking for the path here, double click on it by open new window and scroll down. You need to edit that path. See program file get slash bin slash by edit new here and enter that and hit OK and OK. That will solve your problem in the gate. And this video for today I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.